Hello, folks, and welcome to North Texas Hunting and Outdoor Adventures. Me and Lapua, we are ready to play. It's been a while. I think it's been over 2 months that I haven't shot the Lapua. So apparently the hogs came in last night after I left. I was here till 10 or maybe early this morning, but I do have 3 game cams over there. And when I get back home, I'll review the footage and I'll actually display the footage right over here or down there somewhere. I don't know what time they came in last night, but the corn is gone. I guess that's why they call it hunting. I got my decoy over here. Maybe a turkey will come out this morning. I did hear him earlier. It's Monday morning, April 22nd. Sure does feel good. Last night I did actually see a hog, and he was real skittish, so I don't know what happened. Let me show you the my decoy. There is a little hen. Alright, I'll be right back. Folks, here at this ground blind I have 3 views. I have where I'm pointing at my Sony camera right now. That feeder is on 109 yards. Then I have me pan over here to the to my left, right there. That's the protein feeder. And then I have this view over here. Let me pan over. Then I have that feeder. This is the one that I have lots of hog activity. I got a whole bunch of cows coming in over here. Let me show you. You see them? A whole bunch of them. The only activity I've seen so far this morning. Oh, there's a brown one right there. Got a little baby with her. I have this cow staring at me, or staring this area. A big old bull. Let's see if I can. He's a big one. Look at that. Make a lot of steaks. Big old bull. Kind of, in a way, I'm kind of glad we got some cows out here. They keeping the grass down some, keeping it down low, so that's pretty cool. I got all these cows over here and they're just staring at me. Got one at the feeder right there where those I actually put a like a little, I don't know, maybe it's 20 by 18 and probably 8 inches deep. And so I got a little water source right there. And I always wondered who's drinking the water there. The cows found it. So when it rains, it kind of drains to that little, just give them a little source of water right there. I want to put a game cam and see if deer, other type of wildlife, what's drinking at that little water hole, man-made water hole. Yeah, them little calves are enjoying that water. I don't know if they're staring at me or maybe they're staring at my decoy. They're getting closer. Last night I made the mistake and left my decoy out here, and the cows ripped the head off, pulled it out of the ground. Stupid cows. That's funny right there. I'm surrounded by cows. Mad cow. I wonder what they're thinking. I bet you those are nice and tender. Did I say that out loud? I think that little calf smells me. It's kind of curious. And so what's that? I think they're staring at my decoy. Leave that thing alone! Now, leave! Yes, you! That is not edible. Leave, now! Well, maybe they'll listen. Now! You better leave! Now! Okay, they're leaving. You too! You! Yes, you leave now! Oh, you can tell I'm bored. That was funny right there. Well, this camera's filming me, but I got a cool view of this camera filming that camera filming me. Okay, I thought that was funny. Well, folks, I think I'm gonna call it a day. I know I said I was gonna hunt till 9, so I'm just gonna go ahead and head back home. So over here, or over somewhere, there's the personal icon. Click on that, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and check out these other videos. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Alright?